Hello everyone, today I show you how to draw a book. So click new, select size whatever you want, create, and you create layer here. You start draw. So I forget to show you. You can open this grid to make sure it's easy for you to draw like this. So go to the pen tool. You can draw here. This, yeah. Okay. Click this and this one, yeah. This one. Okay. And you click this. This. Oh, sorry, it's too sharp. Okay, like this. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Like this. Click. Control. Yeah. And you can click. Type to another one here. Like this. Yeah. Okay. And click this. Exit. And you can click here. Here. Zoom. Here. Okay. Click. Yeah. Click this line. Control. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, it's the wrong point. Like this. Again. Again. Click this. And here. Draw like this. Yeah. And click this. Click this one. Okay. Finish now. This is the book. Okay. And you can close the grid here. Yeah. The book. You can type like this here. Notebook. Sorry. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.